So who will read out the worksheet? I want someone to read out the first. This is all about media and art. Okay, arts and media. So we are going to talk today about new vocabulary words which we keep using because this is a time of media. Okay, we live in the age of media. So we should know all the words which are associated with it, as well as we should know words which are associated with performing arts. Okay, so we are going to today, do these words, performing arts, different kind of arts and media, because they are correlated. They are both the words normally are intertwined. That means you have to work with them side by side. And then once you know these words, I expect you people to use them. Okay? Use them and then make them a part of your vocab. So all about it's all about arts and media. Now, these are like very common words which we use and which we can use in lots of conversations. So, everyone, who will tell me who will just, I just want you to read out the whole thing. First, read out the 12 words which are there in column A, then read out the 12 words which are there in column B. Who will read this? Who wants to read the words which are in column A? Any volunteers? Yes, I can see a hand raised. And Pythagoras, please. Yes, come out. Come out, Bachchan. And start reading the words in column A.
First album, second audience, third applause, fourth band, fifth bestseller, sixth cast, seventh exhibition, eighth pro, prote- protagonist, ninth reviewer, tenth veteran actors, 11th news channel, 12th interval.
Very good. Okay. So, I'll just repeat and just see, see the change, little bit difference in pronunciation, then follow that. Okay. Album. Okay. Album. Audience. Audience. Applause. Band. Bestseller. We will not say bestseller, bestseller. Cast. Exhibition. Exhibition, protagonist, protagonist, okay? Reviews, veteran actors, news channel, interval. Interval नहीं बोलना है, interval, okay? R is just subtle, interval. Nobody will say interval, okay? That would be a wrong pronunciation. So a little bit here and there. Thank you, Beta. The girl who just came and spoke. Thank you very much, Beta, for coming out and speaking. Now, I want someone to read the next side, the B column. Who will come out and read the? Okay, Hardy. I can see a child again, a girl. Yes. I can see more girls volunteer. Okay, there are so many in Pascal House. We will come to the next one. Yes.
Ma'am, first, praise often shown by clapping. Second, a book or album that is spelling well in high demand. Third, display or show often of art. Fourth, opinions about a movie or a book. Fifth, TV channels that broadcast current events. Sixth, experienced seasons actor. Seventh, a collection of songs. Eighth, people attending a show, art display event. Ninth, a pause in between parts in a movie or plays. 10th, actors in a movie. 11th, the main character in the story. 12th, a group of musicians.
Musicians. Yeah, very nice. Very good. So praise often shown by clapping. A book or album that is selling well in high demand. Display or show often of art. Okay. Either it's a display or a show of some art. Opinions about a movie or a book. TV channel that broadcasts current events. Experienced seasoned actors, a collection of songs, people attending a show, art display, or event, a pause in between parts in movies or plays, actors in a movie, the main character in the story, a group of musicians, a group of musicians. Okay, so here we have, like, this. Now, what you have to do from column A, you have to match with column B. So I can give you like 10 minutes or probably 6, 7, 8. I don't know how long you will take. And when you'll be ready, I want to see hands raised. Okay. So just start thinking, like, and I'm sure you will know all the answers. That I'm sure of. So please go ahead. Okay. Quickly match the word with its definition. Match the word with its definition. And I'm going to call out people so nobody can escape. There are a lot of children who are eager to answer in Pascal House and Ramanuja. Very good. Very good. I'm so impressed. So impressed. What happened to Richardson, Thales? Napier, busy talking? Yes, Napier. Read well and understand and match. We still have like 4 minutes and then we'll start. Napier, the first answer will come from you. I'm observing that most of you are busy talking. Now, can I ask the first answer? Can we begin with the first one or you still need more time? Yes, Hardy, middle row. There's a girl who's raised her hand for the first answer. Please come forward. Aajo beta.
A book or album that is selling well in high demand.
I think so. You'll have to redo it. Okay, rethink it. Rethink about it. What is an album? Album. Yes. Pythagoras. I can see a hand raised. Middle row, first one. Aajo bache.
Opinions about a movie or a book.
No. Sorry. I want someone else. Yes, I can see a boy, Ramanuja. Come out. Ramanuja. See, even if you're not right, doesn't matter. Okay, because we all learn from our mistakes. And now when you will learn it, it will be even more, like, you'll retain it all the time. Yes.
Album or collection of songs.
Very good. So what's an album? It says, okay. The first one, a collection of songs. Okay, so basically a collection. We can see now whenever we see album, we say collection of stamps album. We have photo albums, like Shadi ki dekhte ho na albums, like they are photo pictures of the wedding. Okay, so koi occasion hai, uski album. So basically it is a collection. So when a singer, okay, he will have, like, he will sing a number of songs and put it in. Earlier it used to be in CDs or, like, in cassettes. Nowadays, so it is released on media platform like through Amazon, Spotify, I don't know what it is. Okay. So all these kind of things. Okay, so you know that much better than me, like how the music albums are released. Okay. Can you? It can be one song, sometimes a chart buster. Like, it's very popular, but mostly it is a collection of songs. Yes, very good. The second one, audience. Audience. Okay. Richardson, middle row, second bench. Aajo beta. Who's audience? Who are the audience?
People attending a show, art display, events.
Very good. Audience. So audience are people who attend a show. Okay. I hope everybody attending a show, art, display, whatever is written, or event. So all these people are called audience. Okay. The people who are attending a play. Okay. When something is happening live, it's the audience. Okay. Here. Very good. Applause. Applause. Pascal, there's a girl who's raised her hand. She's sitting by the wall. Please come. Aja, aja. Come out. Applause. I'm giving you a hint. He deserves a huge round of applause. Okay. Yes. I rather gave you the answer. Yes, yes, बच्चे बोलो. What is applause?
Praise often shown by clapping.
Very good. When you clap for someone, you praise someone, like, the show ended with a huge round of applause. Okay. His performance was applauded. That means everybody clapped. Okay. He got a standing ovation and a huge round of applause. When you really like something, people will all stand, and then the speech ended with a huge round of applause. Like things like that. Okay. Very good. So applause is like praising someone with clapping. Okay. Band. This is very simple. This is extremely simple. Yes, Richardson. Middle row, the whole row wants to come out. Third bench. Yes, third bench. Yes, that girl who's raised her hand. Next time it will be the fourth bench or the fifth bench. Okay, band. What is a band?
A group of musicians.
A group of musicians. Don't say musicians, okay? Musicians, CIAN, shan hota hai. Okay, musician. Okay, this is for everyone. I know this is a common mistake most of you are making. So it's a musician, okay? Magician, not magician, not musician, no. Okay, here. So band is a group of musicians who play music together. Normally they are like, percussionist, there is a guitarist, there is someone on the drum set, all these kind of different things. Next, bestseller. Bestseller. What's a bestseller? Richardson, middle row, last bench. Aajo bachche. Bestseller. So, see, the word, the name gives it. It only tells you what it means.
A book or an album that is selling well in high demand.
Yes, something which is in high demand. So we say, oh, it became a blockbuster, a bestseller. Okay, a chart buster, like busted the charts. And blockbuster movie, chartbuster song. We use blockbuster. जब बहुत movie चलती है तो blockbuster बोलते हैं. So they have become, and especially books and albums, they become bestsellers. Like there are so many in the market, they have reached the top of the chart. Okay, so they are bestsellers. Caste. अब ये जो हम अपना surname लिखते हैं India and we call it caste, this is not this, okay? This is something different. What is this caste? I'll give you the cast and the crew. The cast and the crew. Yes. Hardy House, middle row, first bench. Aja beta. इसके बाद I am coming to Pascal, and Pascal has to give me all the answers.
Some actors in a movie.
Very good. The actors in a movie or even a play. Okay. Even if like you're fond of plays, like all the people, actors who work in a movie or who act in a play, they are called cast, and the other people are called crew. Like who the light man, the people, the cinematographer, the all these people are called the crew, the cast and the crew. Okay. Exhibition. Exhibition. Pascal, yes. Same girl has raised her hand. Ajo, one of you can come out. Ajo. Exhibition. Exhibition नहीं बोलना कभी भी, okay? Exhibition. It's exhibition.
Display,
Yes,
display or show often of art.
very good. So exhibition is basically like, we do have exhibition for clothes, for but it's basically exhibitions are for artwork, like paintings, some sculpture, and some handicrafts. So basically artwork. Okay, so that is called an exhibition. And the things which are kept there are exhibits. All the pieces which are there in the exhibition, they are exhibits. Okay, next, protagonist. Protagonist. Yes, this you should know because I'm sure in class 9 you're all going to write a story. CBSE has it, and you should know. Even in a movie, in a play, who is a protagonist? Who? This word everybody should know. Yes. I can see a few hands raised. Richardson, second bench, middle row. Aja. She's upset. The one in the third bench. The protagonist. Yes. Yes, beta.
The main character in the story.
Yes. But I'll have to make a correction here. It is character, not character. It is character. The main character in a story, everyone repeat character, character. Okay. The main character in a story. Yes, the person around whom the whole story revolves is the protagonist. And then the villain, the person with the negative qualities, is the antagonist. And sometimes the antagonist can also be a protagonist. उसके बारे में भी story हो सकती है. A negative character. Okay, so here. Next, reviews. Reviews. Anyone from Pascal? Reviews? Yes, beta. आ जाओ. Middle row. First bench. आ जाओ. Reviews.
Ma'am, opinions about a movie or a book.
Very good. Opinions. Okay, opinions. Opinions. Opinions about a movie or a book is book review. You know what I used to do? I used to make my children read a book and I used to ask them to write a book review. Okay, and then they would write like, what did they like, what did they not like, how did it affect them, like, what did they learn, and the writing style and everything. And it was like a very thorough lesson. And even movie, I used to make them watch a movie. I made them watch a movie, Hachiko, and that was year after year. Okay, and Miracle Worker. And then I used to make them write a review, a movie review. How was the sound? How was the lighting? How was the acting? How was the direction? How was it impactful? Did it play with the theme? So it's amazing. You can do this. Okay. Then veteran actors. Who are veteran actors? Pascal. Yes. A middle row, the girl at the back. Yes. The girl or boy? I sorry, I couldn't see from here very clearly. Yes, sorry, Richard. I think so. It's a boy. Yes. Next answer you come up with. Okay, Pascal? Yes, veteran actor.
Present actors.
Very good. Like Amitabh Bachchan. He's a veteran actor. Like he's experienced and seasoned, like Shah Rukh Khan, not a newbie. Okay, even in world cinema, you will find many veteran actors. So they have done a season means they have done a lot of different roles. Okay, they have and characters and all that. So they are seasoned. And we call veterans to other people like war veterans. People like soldiers who have participated in the war, we call them war veterans. News channel, news channel. Okay, that boy in Pascal, middle row, Aja, come. Yes, please come.
TV channels that broadcast current events.
Very good. TV channels that broadcast current events. Okay, current means what does current means? What does current mean? Who will come and tell me? Current events. Okay, that girl in Pascal was raised hand or boy? I can't see from here because of the lighting. Please come. She's sitting by the wall. What is current? I want to know what is current. Here, what does current means? एक तो electric current होती है ना, ये वाला current क्या? What is this current? Who will answer this? Okay, Hardy, middle row, first bench. Are you answering my this question? What is current?
Ma'am, the present event that is going on.
Perfect. Something happening now. That is your current. Okay, and in bank you have a current account also. Okay, so this word is being used in different manners for different usages. Okay, interval, interval. Yes. Okay, Richardson, everybody's almost falling out of their seats. Ah, okay, that little girl who has raised her hand. Aja. Aja, middle row. Middle row, yes, the girl who turned back. Aja. Interval.
A pause in between parts in movies or plays.
Very good. And there is a pause, like intermission. When we go to watch a movie, ekdam aa jata hai intermission. So intermission is a British, like English word for interval. Okay, and there is so interval is pause. When you go for a play or you go to watch a movie, then you have this interval. Now, same words are going to be used once in each of these. Let's see if you can use above given words correctly. So quickly start doing this. Let me check. Let me see if you people have really understood the meaning. And I would really appreciate if you use these words today with your friends in your conversations. Focus your conversation on art and media and use these words. Okay? Think of a news channel which is very popular in your region. Okay? Or a popular news channel of India or a world. You should know at least one in your region, at least one or two of India, and at least one international news channel. Okay? Anyone can tell me about an international news channel which is very popular? That's called your current events. Yes, yes, bache, you know. Good. The one sitting Hardy House in the middle row. One international news channel. I'm sure your grandparents and your father must be watching a lot of news. Nobody knows? That's not very nice. Anyone from Pascal House? Any one news channel in your region? In Punjab region का एक news channel बताओ. Okay. Okay, if you're done. If you're done with the first one, who wants to answer the first one? There is a pop. I don't want the answer from the same children. I want some more children to participate. Please come out. Okay, let me check if I can. Hardy House on my left. Okay, that means you're right. The boy sitting in the third bench. Yes, please come out. This was the posture. Aja, the first answer. There is a pop blank playing tonight at the party. There is a pop blank playing tonight at the party.
Band.
Yes, band. It's band. Okay, very good. So why weren't you answering? The first one is like band. A pop band. What do you mean by a pop band? What is a pop band? Does anyone know what is pop music? Okay. Next. Have you heard AP Dillon's new? This I know everybody knows who's AP Dillon. Yes. Have you heard AP Dillon's new? Okay, Ramanuja. Very good. I can see a hand raised by the wall. Okay, you come. Aja. Have you heard AP Dillon's new? You can relate.
Album, ma'am.
Very good. Album. Okay, album. Next. Mars is the most popular news. Don't say news. News. Yes. Richardson. 1, 2, 3, fourth bench. I can see middle row, fourth bench. Aja. Yes. Mars is the most popular news. News, what better?
Channel.
It's channel. Yes. CHANN. Okay, next. Shaktiman was a popular children's TV blank in the 90s. A TV, what? In the 90s. What can it be? Now, this word is not given here, but you can, what do you call? When you watch something, it is a TV which has episodes. So, kya hota hai wo? It's a TV. It's a very common word. Yes. Okay. Anyone? Yes. Pascal House, the boy who's standing can come out and tell. It's a TV what? Pascal House, middle row. Yes, the boy at the end.
Ma'am, show.
Very good. So it can be show, it can be series. Okay? Series is like, when it continuously goes, same as the show, it has episodes. Okay? And so it's a TV show, popular TV show. Next is, there will be a 10-minute blank halfway through the performance. A 10-minute what? Okay, same children raising hands. Why? I want new children to raise hands. Yes, it's not difficult. Thales, today Thales is enjoying. Laid back. Thales, middle row, fourth bench. Aja. Middle row, fourth bench, Thales. With the answer. And don't tell me you don't know the answer. Yes. Come out. There will be a 10-minute blank halfway through the performance. So 10-minute what? देखा नींद आ रही थी ना सो रहे थे वहां पे come on come out so there will be a 10-minute what This is the fifth one. See, there are so many children who want to answer and you got the chance. Please answer. Hello? What? Could you repeat? Interval. Okay, 10-minute interval. And please don't sleep in the class. I caught you. Next. My sister is playing the blank in the play. She's playing the blank in the play. What do you think? The blank. What word will fit in here? Okay. Hardy house. Okay. First, middle row, first bench. One of you can come and answer. Yes, quick.
Ma'am, protagonist.
Very good. Perfect. That means the lead role. Protagonist. See, this is how we keep learning new words. Okay, next one is, there is a blank of South Indian art at the museum. There is a blank. Okay, Richardson. Second last bench, middle row. I can see a hand raised. Please come. Exhibition. Exhibition. So there's an exhibition. Okay. His book is likely to become another. His book is likely to become another. Okay. Pythagoras. Middle row, last bench. That little girl has raised her hand. Aaja beta. Thank you for your enthusiasm.
Bestseller.
Perfect. Bestseller. So his book is going to become another bestseller. How many of you read books? How many of you read books? Raise your hand if you read books. None? I can see barely like 10 children, not even 10. Okay. If you ever want to read, ask me. I'll send you a list of books to read at your age and you will love them. I think so. You should all get into the habit of reading. It's very important. The blank loved the show. Who loved the show? Okay. The blank loved the show. Yes. Okay, Ramanuja, middle row, that girl is waving. She wants to answer. Aja. Aja, aja. Who will love the show? People who watch.
Audience.
Okay. Audience. Okay. You are my audience here. Okay. So next. The actor got a big round of blank for his amazing performance. For his amazing performance, the actor got a big round of, okay, Pascal. On my right, last bench. On my right, last bench, by the wall. Yes. A big round of,
An applause.
perfect, bache, very good. Applause. Okay, very nice. And these words should not become history now. They should be a part of your everyday conversations. That is how we learn to speak better and better when our vocabulary is enriched with new words. नहीं तो हम वही boring words use करके bore हो जाते हैं. Okay, next is the film received some good blank and some bad ones. Some good and some bad. Okay, who will answer this? Ram, okay, Pascal, on my left, I can see your hand. Just one hand because I can't see the children. Yes, please come out. I'll write the answer here.
Reviews.
Very good. Some good reviews. This is very important, okay, for the success of the movie. If you get bad reviews, people will not go and watch it. People like me, we wait for the reviews. The film's blank consisted of all veteran actors. The film's blank consisted of all veteran actors. Pascal, middle row, that boy who's raised his hand. Aaja bache. Okay.
Cast.
Very good. The film's cast consisted of all veteran actors. Has anyone ever seen the movie Troy? एक इंग्लिश की बहुत साल पहले आई थी. Have you seen the Troy movie? Anyone? You must watch it. It's very good. उसमें there were all these amazing actors of Hollywood. It was like a real star cast. Okay, बहुत सारा था, बहुत सारे थे. So all veteran actors, the cast. Okay. Now we are finished with this. Now you have another question. Okay. Who will come and read this question for me? Fun time. कौन आ रहा है बात पढ़ने के लिए question? Please come. One of you can come. Or I have to read it myself. Ajo. Hardy House, that girl stood up. She wanted to read. Any one child, just come out and read. Okay, Pascal, that girl raised her hand. Aja beta, fun time. You can read. And I want everyone to do this activity. Everyone. Okay?
Ma'am, fun time.
Yes, fun time.
Hooray! You are a pro now. Write a short para, 50 to 60 words, using as many words as you can.
Okay, very good. So, hooray! Now you are a pro. Pro means you're well versed with these words. So you have to write a short paragraph using as many words as you can. The words which we just did. Okay, I can I can read out one for you. I have written 3 paragraphs here. I can read out one for you. The band's performance at the exhibition was a hit, earning thunderous applause. During the interval, the news channel interviewed the cast. The album was a bestseller and the audience loved it. The fun time was palpable with everyone enjoying the music. It was a night to remember. So I have used word band, exhibition, applause, interval, news channel, cast, album, bestseller, audience. Okay? So many words. In this one paragraph, you can also do the same. The second paragraph which I wrote was the band rocked the exhibition. So band, exhibition, getting a huge applause from the audience. So see in first line 4 words, band, exhibition, applause, audience. Their music was a bestseller and the news channel was all over it. During the interval, fans were buzzing about the cast and the upcoming movie based on the band's story. So you can write down, it will be really helpful if you try it today. Okay, and then see what you can write down. Just use as many words as you can. Write down something and then read out to your friends, exchange, and if you want, you can even read out to me. Okay, so I'll end the class right now. I hope we had a good class. I'm happy. Okay, clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. We really had a good class. Okay, have a good day. Enjoy yourself.